hold on. We did it, Bobbi, we did it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wigtypes. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also WIGMAS, and I'm collabing with another one of my wig baes by the name of Meeka, but you may know her by Wigs2Waistlength. Y'all, do you see this slayage? We're both giving you natural synthetic wigs on a budget. Do you see the look she is serving, huh? Do you see it? Do you see it, Claudine? She is serving face, no lace. Tell me what the lace is, huh? Can you see the slayage? I can see it with my glasses off. You hear me, okay? So if you want to see it up close and personal for yourself, I will put her video down below. Make sure you guys go check her out and tell her that RaShon sent you. I promise you're gonna leave with something in your cart. Okay, now before we get into my look, if you are from Meeka's channel, first of all, hey, how you doing? Hello. Today is also Sip and Slay. We got a lot going on today, don't we? And let me tell y'all right now, I ran out of wine. I've been sipping a little bit during the week, so I hit up Kenny Stash again. Hey, babe. Oh, God. I had to put some extra Coke in mine, but you know, it's okay, it's okay. And before you ask, my cup is from Melanated Kin. It will be linked down below with a coupon code, okay? Use that joint. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Whatever you are sipping, go ahead and pour her up, and let's get into this review. Let's go.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. In the one-horse sleigh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle up around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, 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 jingle bell, 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 jingle bell, jingle, jingle, jingle.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Wigtypes. It is by Bobbi Boss, and it's part of their Boss Lace series. This is MLF314 Roxie. I got her in the color 2, and she retails under $30 for $27.94. Get your purse strings, okay? Bust them open right now, Candace. Right now. Do it. Do it. This unit comes with a 4-inch part down the middle, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit is big head associated. It doesn't come all the way down onto my sides, as you can see right here. My sides are out in the open trying to be seen, but the way I have this unit styled behind my ear, not today, edges. Now I do have on my wig grip, and that joint is keeping this wig secure on my head. This wig is very comfortable. I don't know if it's because I put the unit behind my hairline or what. I don't feel it on my head at all. I can rock this joint all day. This unit is a premium high heat fiber, so she is heat safe up to about, it doesn't say on the card, but I would say 350 to 400. But based on this being a natural kinky texture, I would keep around that 350 range, just because you don't want to change the look or the feel of the unit. Normally when you go in with high heat, especially on your natural synthetic wigs, it changes the texture of the wig, and it makes it a little bit more shiny and silkier, and you don't want that. You want the texture to kind of, you know, flow all the way through the unit from the root to the tip. As far as the curls are concerned, I did finger comb them through just because I wanted to loosen them up a bit. They were a little bit too tight for me. As you saw, I didn't use no brush, and y'all know I'm brush happy, okay? But I didn't use no brush on this unit, and y'all, she is serving a look, y'all. She is serving a look. Now I didn't get no tangles with this unit, however I did get some shedding when I did the finger combing. The hair is soft, it's not like butter soft or nothing, but it's not like scratchy either. Like this unit is not going to turn stiff quickly. Even the curls are like bouncy. The unit is lightweight, it's not bringing a lot of heat around my neck. I have on a collared shirt, I got all these lights on my face, my heat is on, and I'm not sweating, y'all. I am feeling very comfortable and secure in this wig. Even with all the hair to the front, let me show you guys really quick how that's looking. It's like I said, it's a lot of hair. The hair is really big. Y'all see this? This is, oh, y'all. This look good. This looks so, y'all, this looks good, y'all. This looks good. But just in case this is too much hair for you, you can definitely, let me see. Let me see. What's, oh, wait a minute. Y'all, yeah. Y'all see this look? Do y'all see, look how those curls look. Look how those curls look. Y'all, Bobbi Boss did that. Okay, they did, hold on. We did it, Bobbi, we did it. Oh, this looks so good, y'all. This looks so good. Okay, I'm not mad at this unit at all. Do y'all see the curls? Look at the curls on this unit, y'all. Do y'all see this? The curls keep bouncing back, y'all. They keep bouncing back. Even though I finger toned them, they still bouncing back and giving me a look. What is this sorcery? And the unit does come in a free position part, meaning you can wear this unit in the middle, on the right, or the left side. Now, as on the put down, I am rocking this unit behind my hairline just because of the look that I wanted for myself. And I did use some tips and tricks that I got from my girl Gladys, aka IsThatYourHairrr. She does have a video called How to Make Your Wig Look Natural, and y'all, that video is so helpful. If you have not seen that video, I will link it down below. I cut the V into my parting space, and a lot of you guys asked me why I do that. One, because she told me. It basically gets rid of that line of demarcation, so when you go to blend in your hairline with the actual wig, which the wig for me is, I think it's right there, it allows it to blend more seamlessly, so I like that. And then I also use another one of her tricks, which is the black eyeliner pencil. I went into color around the lace right here, and then I also colored in my hairline a little bit so that it didn't look unnatural. If I would have left my hairline how it was, it would have been a little bit too thin for this much hair to kind of start at the root. You see what I'm saying? It worked out, y'all. I am in love with this unit. Look at the hair. Do y'all see the body of this hair? Look. Let me go back and forth, okay? Like a daggone Jack in the Box. Look at this joint. But the hair is moving though. It's moving. Y'all, I can't get over this wig, okay? I can't get over it. This is how long that unit sits on me. I got on a bra today, so my unit's sitting right at my chest. And then to the back, she's pretty long as well. This is how she's looking to the side, and then this is how she is looking to the back. Okay? Put my little crown on, okay? Queen to be. Y'all, hold your ears. Oh! This looks so good. I need a fan. I need a fan for Christmas. Somebody send me a fan. So when Kenny get mad at me, I can put this wig on and sit in front of the fan with my hair blowing, asking for stuff. How he gonna turn me down with my hair blowing in the wind? I'm gonna tell him I like dollars and diamonds. How he gonna tell me no in this wig? He may, but my chances are better with the fan. I'm here for this unit, okay? And for $27, like my girl Shanice say, get this wig, okay? Get this wig, Claudine. Stop waiting. Stop waiting. I'm here for this wig, y'all, and guess what? You should be too. Shout out one more time to Wigtypes for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Also, shout out to my girl Meeka. I will put her video down below, so make sure you guys check her out and tell her that RaShon sent you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.